All right, I have a Toshiba air conditioning unit. This is a window unit, and I'm going to go over the controls with you right here. So this is a Toshiba. All right, we're going to start by looking at some of the basic controls of this. I'm not going to get too deep into it, but it's just going to show you some of the basic controls. The first basic control is, all right, direction of the fan. Okay, when it blows out air, you can have it go left or right. And then if you look a little bit closer, you can actually have fresh air from coming outside. Now, to close it, all right, all you have to do is make sure it's pressed in. You see how it's short and stubbly like that? To bring in fresh air, you just pull it this way. And if you wanted to have the vent, all right, you pull it out that way. All right, so make sure it's out right here so you can have fresh air from coming outside, and you can close it. All right, so you can just press it in halfway for fresh air, vent for all the way out like this, and to close it, just go ahead and press it all the way in. And then right here, we're gonna go ahead and turn this on. So I'm gonna turn it on by simply pressing power. And once it's on, it's gonna start blowing. I'm gonna turn the fan down. So I'm gonna turn the fan down to low. All right, so if you can see right here, there are options right here. There is the auto, there's a low, there's a medium, and then there's a high right there. You see that? Low, medium, high, and auto right there. All right, so that is how you change the fan speed. Now the temperature, if you look at the arrows right here, you can turn it up, simply pressing that, or you can turn it down by pressing the down arrow. And the reason why the temperature isn't changing is because it is on fan mode. All right, so if it's fan, it's just blowing air out at you. In order to change the temperature, you'd have to change the mode. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to auto, and once it's on auto, I'm able to change the temperature. It will automatically adjust and turn off once it gets to a certain temperature, and it will do it all on its own. All right, so you have the auto, and then you also have the cool mode right here. And in the cool mode, you can also adjust the temperature right there. And then it's the dry mode. Now the dry mode actually helps eliminate the moisture from out of the air inside of the room that you have this air conditioner installed in. So you can change that to dry, and then again adjust the fan, which is just circulating air in the room. All right, so we're gonna go back to cool feature. All right, and then there's also a sleep feature. All right, so you can have the sleep feature, which I believe will turn off the air conditioner after a certain amount of time. That's a sleep feature. Let's go ahead and turn that off. And then there's a timer. All right, so you can have the timer where you can have it to where it turns off after a certain amount of time, 24 hours, and you can go back all the way back down to go down. You can go all the way back down to 1 hour or no hours, 14, 60. I'm not exactly sure. You have the timer right here, which you can use right here. You can adjust the timer. All right, so that's basically the controls of the air conditioning unit. And I'm just going to go ahead and turn it off. I hope this is helpful. Thank you.